teach it. I modify it a little bit to make it better. But you will have access to these slides. We begin with the concept of the muscle sling. So a muscle sling, are all interconnected with each other. So instead of thinking about individual muscles and joints, we think about movements and combinations of muscles together, working together, and interconnected through a fascia system. So this is where we know, for example, you can see that the right arm is connected to the left leg, or the left part of the chest is connected to the right leg. So not only do we have different, that's too much, they need light back here, if you can. We need to have connection throughout the body, with the upper body and the lower body are connected. Because this is how we move. Do you remember? It's good enough. That's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
As long,
good.
yeah, these are out now. That's fine.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. You guys okay back here?
Yeah.
Yeah. How do we walk? It's like this, right? So you alternate upper and lower, opposite side. So these two are connected. So you see that here. See the connection?
Yeah.
Here. That's how we move. That's how we walk. That's how the body is made, is through these muscle slings. Let's take out your CLX band you have. This is a new package box designed for international. These pictures are US, but they're going to change anyway. But this is a brand new box. So the pictures here will not be the same that you have. But it's easy to change them if you want to.
The actual boxes
These are the big boxes.
are the international right there.
So in the big box, so it comes in a 25-yard, how many meters is that? 22 meter, and how many meters is this?
That was 9 sections, that's all I can tell you.
Yeah, we don't know how many meters this one is.
It's however many 9 meters
So 9
sections,
meters.
or 9 sections.
So the cool thing about the box is it gives you the resistance levels and the numbers. So what we're using on this is instead of just saying yellow, red, green, we're going to say level 2 is yellow, level 3 is red, level 4 is green. And these are the resistances at 100% elongation. Okay? So let's take it out of the box and just take a look at the band, how it's made. So this is called the CLX, consecutive loop. It's made up of, one thing, Bob, there's no pucker anymore. Do you see that?
I see that.
So it's made up of consecutive loops that you try. There we go. There's one. So it has handles built into it. You see that? Okay. And there are 9 in this package. There are 9 loops. Okay. So when you are talking about the product, there are 3 important things to remember. They're going to be here. Number 1 is going to be the consecutive loops. Okay? Number 2 is going to be that it's theraband progression that's latex free. And the third, is that there's a free app on your phone that you can have exercises with this, and we'll show you what that looks like. Okay? consecutive loops, latex-free theraband progression, and the free app. Those are the three key things with this. That's important to know because if you are talking to a customer, then you have to tell them why this is different than just a regular band, because it will be more expensive than a traditional band. But you get more value because of the loops. And it's not just to give you something to hold on to. As we will show you, the loops give you many more features, which is why it's important for you to learn these features in order to be able to better promote the product. So if we look at the loops, first of all, what do you think is valuable about having loops already made into the band? What do you think is important about this? What's valuable to you to have the loop already there? Anyone? For an easy connection, right? The biggest thing that people say, they don't have to tie any more knots. They don't have to do this anymore. That's the biggest thing that people like about it. So you automatically say that, bless you, we have automatic handles, no more tying knots. You don't have to do that anymore.